Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my crazy wild story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, if you haven't already, you can look down in the description box. I'll have all the makeup used in order to create this look, as well as my social media handles. Don't forget to go to Instagram and follow me at Shavonne.Ritchie and my business page at Too Lavish Hair. And that is where you will also know when I'm having sales or what discount codes you may or may not need in order to grab those sales. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. So today I wanted to share with you guys my new 2022 everyday go-to eyeshadow tutorial. It's very easy, it's very quick. It gives you that natural look and just accentuates your beauty. So if you'd like to see how I create this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and prime the entire lid with our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige. And I'm just going to put this all over the lid. I'm going to go in with my concealer brush and move it around, even it all out some. So we have a nice smooth surface to work with. And while I'm doing it, I'm also going to go ahead and carve out the brow. Just clean it up just a tad. So today we're using a BH Cosmetics Ultimate 42 color palette. And I'm going to start out by picking up this color here. I'm going to really pack this brush. And then we're going to tap it just a little bit to get off the excess so we don't have a lot of fallout. And then what I'm going to do with this color, just dust it all over the lid. And that's going to kind of set our lid as well for our next colors that we're going to add. Then what's left on the brush, we're just going to pull underneath the eye. So now we're going to go in with this brown. As you can tell, I use this brown quite often. I do like the shade. And we're going to work that right into the crease line. We're going to go ahead and pack that in there. And we're going to add layers to build the intensity because it is pretty light. But the good thing about light shadows, you can keep adding and keep adding till you get it to the shade or the darkness that you like, or the intensity that you like, I should say. So we're just going to really work that in the crease first. And then as I get it to where I want it to be, I'll start pulling it out upwards towards the brow. And that's just going to help lighten it up and fade things out so everything blends smoothly. And then what's left on the brush, we're just going to pull it underneath the eye. The next shade we're picking up is this shade right here. And what we're going to do with this color is add it right underneath the brow bone. And that's going to help open the eye up, give it a little bit more warmth to the eye so it's not too dark from the brown we laid down. We're just going to dust that around the edges of that brown and soften it up so everything blends together nicely. We're also going to take what's left on this brush and pull it under the eye. And like I said before, this is going to help warm the eye up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back in with this shade here, and we're just going to pack just a little bit more on the main lid. And then we're going to dust that right underneath the brow. And what's left on it, we're going to dust underneath the eye. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up a flat angled brush, and we're going to go ahead and grab some of this black right here. So what we're going to do with that black, we're just going to tight line just the outer lower lash line. And then we're going to bring it all the way to the center of the eye. So you should have something like this once you're done. Now we're going to go ahead and pick up our eyeliner. This is a very easy, beginner-friendly, go-to everyday look, and it's quick. So that's one thing I like about it. So I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay liquid eyeliner. I think it's in the color Blackout. Everything that I use in order to create this look will be listed down below in the description box. So if I don't pronounce it exactly right, you can look down there and I'll have it listed. So we're going to go ahead and go in with our liquid eyeliner. Okay, now once we get that done, we're going to go ahead and pick up our mascara. So the lashes I decided to pair with this look are my Olivia's, and this is what she looks like. She's more of a shorter lash, but she's very, very full. I think she's great for daytime. I mean, just going out on the town, whether you're going shopping, you're going to church, like she's perfect for that. So she's not too long, but she gives you that thickness that you want. So we're going to go ahead and pop these girls on, and we're going to complete this look. Also, if you'd like to purchase a pair of Olivia's, go ahead and look down below in the description box. Click on my link at www.toolavishhair.com and you can purchase her there. So I'm going to go ahead and set her down. And I'm going to check the placement first. And since I like where she's placed, we're going to go ahead and seat the inner corner. And we're going to bring her all the way down to the lash line. And then we're going to take the outer part of the lash and we're going to lift her up just a tad. And I'm going to check and see if I like the way she's sitting. And I do. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and secure her down before the adhesive sets. So I'm going to start in the center of the eye and press all the way to the inner corner. I'm just going to press a little bit on the outer corner and then lightly secure the outer corner. Now what I'm going to do, and what I always do, is I'm going to go ahead and press down a little bit on the inner corner all the way to the center of the eye, and then I'm just going to lightly lift her up, and we're going to go ahead and shape her the way we want her to be shaped. And I like mine to be a little bit lifted on the outer corner because that way it gives you more of a feline shape to your eye, and it opens the eye up, and you don't have droopy lashes. Who wants droopy lashes? I don't. So that completes the look. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this simple, easy, beginner-friendly eyeshadow tutorial. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my crazy wild story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, don't forget to go over to Instagram and follow me at Shavonne.Ritchie and my business page at toolavishhair.com. Those two places are the only places you're going to know when I have sales or if you need a discount code in order to purchase your 3D Mink lashes or your lovely locks of lavish hair that I sell as well. So I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye.